guys, I'm back with another video, and most of you must be thinking that why is she wearing the same clothes she was wearing in the previous video. Maybe she has shot both the videos at the same time. If she has shot both the videos at the same time, she could have changed her clothes so that people would not come to know, right? All these questions are crossing your mind. Am I right? Please tell me I'm right. I know that there must have been 10 people who has watched the previous video and watching this one thinking the same things which I am telling you. So why are you thinking that? Why are you not focusing on the fact that what is the topic she's going to talk about today? But no, that is the basic human tendency we have, that we would think like that. And also we have this thing, we'll reach to a conclusion and we will judge people and we will criticize on the basis of these judgment. And one thing that everybody is forgetting is that this thing is going in their own head. They are not interacting, they are not telling these things to another person, they are not discussing it. They are having their own self conversation in their head and they're reaching out on conclusions, on judgments, and then they start criticizing. So I know none of you will criticize me or judge me, or even if you do, how does it matter? It's okay. I am okay with that. I am trying to make a point that we should not judge people no matter what. It's not that I am a complete perfect person, I don't judge people. I used to a lot, like not a lot, I used to, but then I realized we should not judge people. And now whenever there are times when I start judging someone on some situation which has never happened, so in the second moment I realize, what am I doing? This is none of my business. Why am I judging? So I stopped there. So the important thing is to realize that and to control that and to work on that, right? So I can give you very easy example. Most of our friends, they have some habits which they try to hide from us. Like suppose if you have a friend, you have known that friend of yours like for 3-4 years, and suddenly one day you notice him or you come to know from some other friend that he smokes, and you'll be like, oh my god, he smokes, I thought he's a very nice guy, but no, he smokes. So where is this going? If he smokes, he's not nice guy. So smoking makes him not nice guy. The guy you have known for 3-4 years suddenly becomes a not nice guy because you know he smokes. And that too, you're thinking in your own head. Oh, what's wrong with me? You're thinking in your own head. You're having this conversation with yourself only. And you'll keep on cooking this and you'll reach to a point where you'll start hating that person. Why do you do that? Don't do that, because it's a very common thing. It happens with everyone. It's not like your fault. We have grown up like that. We have seen these things happening around us, so we do that. We do that by ourselves. We also do the same. But we need to realize that this is not right and we should not do it. No matter everybody else is doing the same, but we are not one of those. So whenever you see a person who drinks, whenever you see a person who is doing drugs, which is altogether a different thing, but I'm bringing the random kind of example which maybe you have gone through or you have seen, because these are very quick things on which we react. Like if you see a person smoking, you would just say he's not a nice person. Why would you say that? You have no idea about his background, you have no idea about the reasons why he smokes. Telling a person that smoking is injurious to health and you should not smoke is a different thing, but judging that person on the grounds that he smokes is totally different thing. Maybe he smokes for show off, that's another thing. But who are we to decide and who are we to judge someone? Why is he doing that? Why is that person doing that? Half of the times we cannot confront in front of our parents what we want because we are afraid of this fact that they will judge us. If you are going to tell your mom that I want to go for a night out at my friend's place, I'm going to stay at her house, why you are afraid to tell this to your mom? Because somewhere deep down in your head you think that your mom will judge you, and she will think that she may be going out for some party with guys, but she is telling me lie that she is going to stay at her friend's house. Because that's how that's how we see things going on. Everybody is judging everyone, forgetting that what all they are doing is not even correct. Like, it's not like, obviously if you tell your mom, she would definitely not believe you that you're going to stay at your friend's house. She has her own reasons because she's protective of you and all that. But everybody has this tendency, because we cannot trust people, we don't share things, and when we don't trust people, we don't share things, we start becoming judgmental and we start judging people on certain, we have our own criterias, we have made our own ground structures, and on those basis we start judging people. Like, if someone eats non-veg, we would say that he is like, he does not care about, he kill animals and eat. Okay, they eat because they have grown up like that. Why do you have to judge? If you don't like them eating, just tell them don't eat. Give them valid reason, give them logical reasons, but don't make judgments that you're eating non-veg, you're not a nice guy, you're smoking, you're not a nice person, you drink a lot, you're not a nice person. That's how not you decide who is nice. And maybe a guy who has been smoking for like 5 years is more nice than a guy who does not smoke, does not eat non-veg, or does not go clubbing, does not do anything. So that is now how it should be. So you need to understand that anyone, if a girl is coming in, in like normal clothes, a very normal dress, a jeans or top, and she is having her hair oiled, the first thing you will say is "Behen ji." Why do you have to judge her? If maybe she is coming from a posh area, maybe she's a very, lavish, living a lavish life, but she likes to dress up that way. Who are you to judge? Who are you to say that she's Behen ji? Or if maybe a girl who lives in maybe, Munirka, and she is coming in short skirts and high heels, you will say, oh my god, she's a posh girl, she's a hot babe. Who are you to judge? Who are you to pass these comments and statements and, make your own judgments and say such things? If you invest this much of time into your life, and if you criticize yourself, if you bring out your bads and goods, your life will be perfect. You will grow in life, you will have a growth in life, you will grow in life. But we waste all our time and energy on other people, what they are doing, why are they doing this. If she has not come home last night, maybe she must have been with a guy. Why do you have to say all that? Why do you even think all that? And who has so much of time? We should not have so much of time. All the time we have, we should invest on ourselves and on our loved ones whom we know personally. The people who are our friends, we have known them for like 7 years, 10 years. We have not known them from their childhood. So we are no one to judge them. You can pass such statements and such comments for your brother, for your sister, or maybe your parents, because you have known them for a longer time. Whatever you're going to say in that, their concern will be correct. But whatever you're saying for these people for whom you have known for a certain time is totally incorrect, and it's not acceptable. So we should understand it. It's not that I'm saying this and I have never done this and I don't do this. Obviously I face such things, and even sometimes I also become judgmental, but the same moment I realize that whatever I'm doing is not right and I should not do that. So realization is the first step. Then we start working on ourselves. Then there is a point where we reach and we get used to that fact and we'll never do that again. So that's what I wanted to share. So I'm sure now nobody is thinking that why is she wearing same clothes, because I wore them purposely. So I wanted to make a point clear, make this point clear. Oh my god, I do a lot of mistakes, and my sister would call me and she will tell me all the mistakes I'm making in the videos. she will never tell me that I like this thing or that thing about your video. She would always tell me, why do you write thank you so much for every comment? Are you stupid? That looks stupid. And then she would say, oh, this sentence you have said incorrectly, and then also you have said that I will not edit this and that. Oh my god. She would be there to bring out all the grammatical mistakes and all kind of mistakes, and she would call me and she would tell me everything. And then she would say, oh, मेरे तो suggestion में आया था YouTube पे, इसलिए I saw your video. Okay, thank you so much, Charu. I have said whatever you tell me over the phone. Oh God, now I have said whatever you tells me over the phone. Now she's going to make a big fuss out of it. Guys, you need to understand that I make the video in first go without reshooting it and without cutting it. No editing, nothing. So these are raw videos. I cannot help it. You know, I'm not perfect. So yeah, oh my god, this video has reached like 10 minutes 59 seconds, but now it's 11 minutes 3 seconds. Oh my god, I have made a new record. Okay, now I nominate myself for my own awards and I give myself an award. Thank you. That's my favorite call. Okay guys, bye.